First shot.
Yeah, Link Up TV, Mike Righteous. I want to big up everybody, yeah? Everybody listening. Yeah, big up Preston Play. Yeah, they say it couldn't happen at a harder time. Righteous, give them my heart, every bar right. I take time to make sure that every bar's right. Sleep through mad hours of the day. I can't be asked with life. Stop questioning my destiny. What's meant to be is meant to. Fuck it, that's typical of me to say that. Breathe. I think I need a second of peace. That's why I never accept defeat, even when you're dead on your feet. People think I'm something special cause I rap on a beat. I ain't shit to a man on his knees fighting addiction. Ain't got the legal right to see his kids, he keeps on trying to the day he dies. Swears he made a mistake, let him make it right. And that's difficult, me and him, different worlds, in a zone, in a state, in a cell, in a prison. We ain't free, this is hell. I will kiss the world bye, get high, take flight, leave the drama up behind deceiver. Laugh at your past or let it eat you alive. It's deeper than rhymes, I see it as a blessing in disguise. Don't let the angels leave me behind, we need the light. We've been living in the dark this long, and all we had to do is switch on. If you give me one chance, I'm gone. Yeah, we've been doing this with no help. Everybody smile now, cause Rocky's doing so well. But they don't tell what they don't know. I'm going through hell in my own home. No self-control, control yourself, you're full grown. We got no dough, you can't eat these bars. You expect me to starve? Gotta take that dream, make that pee. Ain't nobody said it would be easy, dog. Yeah, yo, Riri, I see ya, just see me? Nah. Cause we out trying to beat these markets. My people are the only thing that keep me barking. I show love before hate. Does that make me an easy target? I don't run around screaming, we be the artists. We be the ones you don't see, we grafting. From back in the day when the People's Army started. We put in the fear, put in the blood, put in the tears, in the sweat, put in the love. Then we put our heart in. They say there's no hope for underground artists. But we kept pushing regardless. I remember back when Jack still had his red Vectra. We were sitting in the front seat, listening to freedom of speech, mad pissed. Looking for the answers, so mad I told Lambs I would never be as good as the craftsman. He turned round and answered. You're responsible for your life, there'll be obstacles in the way. What you gotta do is just climb 'em. Yeah, it's like I'm talking to Mac here. Sometimes I think it's impossible being righteous. I ain't so philosophical and I've been irresponsible. Everything will tear me.